Hi, good morning, Petite friends. How are you today? Do you feel great? Wow, that's good. Today, Miss Winda is going to teach you a new sound. What sound will it be? Can you guess? Now I will tell you. It is P. Again, do you want to hear it? It is P. Can you repeat after me? P. Again. P. Wow, you did it! It's easy, right, to say pa. You can ask your mom and dad to say the sound together with you. Pa. Okay, now let's take a look the pictures that the names start with pa. Are you ready? Let's check. Wow, look at this cute thing. Can somebody tell me what animal it is? Yes, it's pig. Pa, pa, pig. Pa, pa, pig. Can you repeat after me? Pa, pa, pig. Pa, pa, pig. Wow, that's great. You did it. Do you know how is the sound of a pig? Is it woof 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 or oing oing oing? Yes, it's oing oing. Now you can pretend to be a pig and say oing oing. Okay, now pa pa pig. What's the color of this pig? Is it purple? No. Is it green? No. Then what color? What color is it? Yes, it's pink. Pa, pa, pink. Pa, pa, pink. Can you repeat after me? Pa, pa, pink. Pa, pa, pink. Do you like pink, friends? Yes, me too. I like pink. But maybe some of you will like different colors. That's gonna be okay. Okay, can you repeat? Pa, pa, pink. Yes, that's great. Thank you. Now let's see the other picture. Wow, do you know what it is? Do you have this thing in your house? Yes, you have. Do you know what's the name? Yes, it's a pen. Pen. Pa, pa, pen. Pa, pa, pen. Can you repeat after me? Pa, pa, pen. Pa, pa, pen. Usually, you will use the pen to draw or to write. After this, you can try drawing with a pen. Now, do you want to know how is the shape of P? Okay, now let's see. How about if we make P together? Okay, you can use your finger to trace. We are going to start with a straight line. Let's make P. Up and down. And then make a curve. P. This is P. Now, let's do it one more time. Up and down. And make a curve. Wow, that's great. You can use your finger to trace up and down and then make a curve. Yay, you did it. Thank you, friends. Now, how about if we sing together? I have a song for you. The song is about pa. Okay, now let's try to listen first. After this, we can sing together. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1.
Puff out the candles on the pink, pink cake. Puff out the candles on the pink, pink cake. Puff, puff, puff.
Now, I need you to hold up your finger as if it is a candle. Yeah, pretend this is a candle. And pretend to puff it out. You need to blow the candle like this. And say, pa, pa, pa. Yeah, you can blow while saying pa, pa, pa. Now, let's do it. Don't forget your finger.
Puff out the candles on the pink, pink cake. Puff out the candles on the pink, pink cake. Puff, puff, puff.
Yay, you did it. Thank you, friends. Now, I still have question for you. Do you still remember what sound we are learning right now? Yes, it's pa. Pa, pa, pig. Pa, pa, ping. And then pa, pa, pan. Wow, you did it. Good job, friends. Give me a high five. Okay, so that's all about today. Goodbye, friends. See you next time.